Hello, everybody. Yes, welcome back. I just want you to see how the whole saga between Wike and that said gallant officer panned out. Wike was eventually disgraced out of his prowess and was sent packing. Here in this video, you see him and his bulldozer leaving you know, that military site where he was actually confronted by this young gallant officer. Watch and enjoy. Thank you.
They don't they go see their truck, see FCC Caterpillar. They don't they go. They don't. Soldier don't win Wike. Oh. See them. See them. They don't win Wike. That is FCC task force. FCC task force. See them. They say they will come back tonight to come and demolish. Soldiers stay here 24/7. Then they then they sleep. Say they are now general get the land now.
Okay. So as the weekend come, the soldiers tell us say they no go take order.